Hi, so in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can access Amazon deals in your Amazon application. So first you need to open your Amazon application. Then after that, you can see here some options at the top. For example, Prime, Fashion, Mobile deals. So to access any deals, you need to click on deals. Now here you can see every deal on category wise. For example, I want to buy some watches, so I can just click on watch. Now I can see here a deal. These are these are the deals. You can just go and select any watch you want to buy in best price. You can select many other categories, for example earbuds. So you can select many earbuds. You can see here every deal on the earbuds. Okay, and you can even see here for grocery products and all. So this is how you can access Amazon deals.